Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to reverse a video clip in Filmora. If you want to add your creativity to your editing and want your viewers, this video is for you. So first, open the Filmora app on your mobile device. Then select the video where you want to reverse the video clip in. After selecting the video, simply tap on a clip or a video you want to reverse. Then you'll see many options on the bottom. Simply swipe until you see an option called reverse. Then tap on it, and after a few moments your video clip will be reversed. And this is it. Now you guys know how to reverse a video clip in Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.